Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. If you're new, then welcome to this channel. Well, I'm back with one more interesting video, as this is the series of the HTML tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn about text formatting in HTML. Like, what is HTML? HTML is used to structure the data. If you guys didn't follow my previous videos, I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Just tap there and follow me. What is HTML? As I said before, HTML is used to structure our data in the website. So text formatting in HTML. What is this text formatting in HTML? It provides various different tags so that you can represent your text in a different way. Like, for example, some text will need some big headings, some text will need something should be bold, something should be, italic. You have to represent each and every style of this text, right? So if you want to represent each and every style of the text, then you need this text formatting in HTML. So in this video, we are going to learn some of the important tags that we can use to format our text in HTML. These are some of the most commonly used tags. By the end of this video, we are also going to design a demo page using all the text formatting tags, important text formatting tags. And for that, I want you guys to install live server so that you can run your HTML page anywhere in using Visual Studio Code. And if you install this live server, then after installing, while working, when you run this one, you will see something like, I'm already running this program, that is why it is showing like that. But here you'll be seeing go live, right? If you tap on that, you are going to direct to the HTML page where you can see the design. So this is what we are going to do at the end of this video. So follow all the tags, and at the end we are going to follow this design and we will build this using the tags that we learned. Okay? And yeah, we are also going to design a portfolio, basic portfolio, using HTML, CSS and Bootstrap, and this series will continue whatever the basics which I involved in this project. Like in this project, I have used HTML, I used CSS and Bootstrap. So I'm going to cover all those HTML, CSS, Bootstrap basics one by one, and at the end of all those basics, as a project, we are going to design this portfolio. And this is super interesting because Bootstrap have many tools that we can quickly design some portfolio, something like this. I hope this video will be so useful for beginners, and I'm gonna cover all the basics of all this HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and then we can directly jump right into this project. And I'm so excited to share this project with you guys. So yeah, let's dive into it. So the first important tag that every person uses is heading, right? So headings are used to give some information, the main title of the idea that you're working on, that you are giving information that you're giving, right? So here we have 6 sizes of headings. H1 will be the biggest one and H6 will be the smallest one. According to your requirements, you can use these tags. That's it. And this is the syntax of H1 and H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. This is how we represent headings in HTML. Let me show you a demo. Let me create any file, maybe headings.html, because this is just a tutorial. And let me just create a basic HTML page. We need a HTML opening and closing tag, and we need head. Inside we need title, headings, give some title, and then inside body, create a heading, maybe H1. Hey, I am heading 1. And if you save it and if you dispose it, I think you guys can see my code now. And here if you see go live, and if you tap on that, it is going to run your program. And this is what the heading 1 exactly looks. And if you get h2 here and here, then it will change the size. So like if you give here 2 and if you save it, it will update automatically. That means you don't have to run the same file again and again until you see the output. So it will update automatically. So this is what heading is. After heading, what you will expect to write in a blog or in a post or something when you're posting in the website? Obviously paragraphs. So paragraphs, to write paragraphs, you just have to give p tag here. That's it. And p is for paragraph, and that's it. So if you give something like p, hey, I know this video is super boring, but don't worry. After learning all these tags, we are going to design we are going to design something using all these tags. So hey, I am paragraph. That's it. You can write as many lines as you want. For now, let's just do it. And yeah, it will update. Hey, I'm paragraph. Hi, nice to meet you. And you can write as many paragraphs as if you want. And this is another paragraph. This is what paragraph tag is. And the next tag is bold. Like if you want to make anything looks bold in your text, then you can use this strong tag inside the paragraph. Like if you go to this code and if you want to highlight this paragraph, you can just give strong here and you can just highlight this paragraph, and that's it. And if you see the output, you're going to see the paragraph is highlighted. That's how it exactly works. And the next one is italic. If you want to make any text italic, then you can make it italic. Like if you give em here instead of strong. Okay, let me make one more line. You just give italic. And if you save this one, you will be seeing the paragraph changed its style, right? Yeah, this is how italic works. And the next tag will be underline. And let me copy this again and paste it. And if you give underline u, and if you save it, and you see the paragraph is underlined and now it's not italic. You got me? And the next tag will be strike through. If you want to strike, like if you want to say to the people that this is wrong by cutting it off, then you can use strike tag. And here I'm gonna give strike. And yeah, if you use that strike, it is striking the text actually. And the next tag is subscript. Like if you guys know chemistry, and there will be in some formulas you have to write the numbers below the letter, like H2O. So for that you can use this subscript tag. Let me copy, and this will be sub, but where you're writing the sub, in between of two letters, right? So here you can give H, and here you can give O. And if you see the output, hey, I am H2O, see, water is talking to you. Isn't that fun? Okay, jokes apart, the next tag is superscript, opposite of subscript. If you want to write 10 square or 10 cube, you can use superscript. So you just have to write P in place of P. Sup, what's up? I'm sorry if I'm making anything wrong. I'm just trying to make it more interesting for you guys. and this will be 10. And you will be saying, hey, I'm 10 square. Yes. And the next tag will be small. If you want to make any text smaller, then you can use the small text. Let's see how it exactly works. You can just give, hey, I am small text. See, the size of the text became, smaller. If you wanna make any text smaller, then you can use this. The next tag will be mark. If you wanna highlight anything, if you wanna mark it, then you can use this one. Let me use it. Mark highlighted text. And this is what the highlighted text exactly looks like. We highlight while reading something in the books or in the newspapers. That's how it highlights the text. Now it's time to design this one. So we have to design this using the tags that we learned just now. Okay? So yeah, let's start working on it. Let me close this. And now let me just get rid of all these things. The first thing I need is welcome to our website heading. So you just have to give h1 welcome to our website. And if you save it and if you dispose this port like the previous program, and if you go live again, then it is going to give the output. So welcome to our website. Okay, and now we want about us heading. So we can just give, I'm sorry, but this is not case sensitive anyway. Yet about us, you'll be saying about us. Okay, we are a company that specializes web development and design. So this is again the paragraph. I'm just copying that, and we need company must be bold. So here we have to use strong tag. And you just copy this and paste it here. That specializes in web development must be italic. So you can just give an em tag. And just paste it. Web development is italic, and we need underline design. So you can just give underline and design should be underlined. And this is what we have to do. And the next line is our team consists of experienced developers and designers, and copy this, and you just have to highlight developers and designers. So here, I'm sorry. Here you can just give developers strong. Developers, and even for designers, and yeah, here our team consists of developers and designers. That's it. And next we need our services heading, and this looks like heading 4. Let's try heading 4. And if you see, okay, this is a bit bigger. Yes, our services. And here we need a list. To create this list, we need an unordered list, and inside unordered list we will be adding all these using li tag. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you. So first we are going to create ul tag, and then inside we need 3 lists. And you're just going to copy this entire thing and paste it here, and we need this to be in italic. So just this thing, we are going to put this in italic, and this one too. I think it is copying even the blank space as well. And this one italic too. And we need one more one, CO. And we need this in italic. And yeah, we need something like this. And next we need why choose us. Maybe this is heading, maybe give heading 6. Why choose us? Let me give h5. No, I think it's this is how we learn, right? This is what we have to do. And yeah, I think now it's right. So I'm gonna do all these things because here you guys understood up to here. I will, fast forward it, and from here I will tell you some more things because here we are going to use some more new tags. If you observe here, this one is the phrase of someone's, right? This is not our own phrase. So to organize it, there is a new tag called block quote. So if you tap on it, VS Code will also give you the definition of it. So the block quote element represents content that is quoted from some other source. So if you are including something from other source, then you can use this block quote. If you design real-time websites, then you will understand why do we use block quote. So here there is a person called John Doe. He's saying something, so we have to block quote it. And there is also a new tag called cite, and this cite element actually references a creative work. Like it could be any title or any person name or any URL reference. Then for that you can use this cite so that it can organize the text properly like this. Yeah, that's it. These two are new things here. And here we have to design it like this, right? So let me create any paragraph, and here we need our old prices, but inside we need a strike tag, our old prices, and we need $1,000 per project. And here we will use a new tag called font, and we'll give color red, and we'll close this. And if you see, it is good, but we need it to give some space, and it should be bold. So for that, give some space here and make it look strong. And that's it. And the next one is, we need our new prices. So our strong tag, new prices, right? And we are going to give $750 per project. And after that, we will give font, and we'll give color equal to green this time, and close it, and we'll give $750 per project. And yeah, we need some space. Just give some space here, and that automatically reflects here. And the next one is call us today at. Call us today at, and we need this up like 10 square. So we need a script +1. Let me use the same number. And yeah, this is what it should look like. And and here let's give some link. So let me copy this entire thing and put that inside link. And yeah, that's it. So for link tag, we'll be using a, and here if you give some reference of maybe any file, but this is not the right link. If you see here, it is getting redirected. But if you give this link, it will ask you to call to that number. That is the magic of links. If you click on it, it is going to redirect to somewhere. It could be pages, it could be any other things like this. It depends. So this is what text formatting in HTML. I hope you guys had learned something new and interesting today. So yeah, in the next video, I'll be back with one more HTML basic video, and we'll also design something like this. So yeah, in the next video, I'll be back with one more HTML basic, and we'll continue completing all these basics, and we will jump right in here. See you in the next video.